Hello everyone and welcome to Paradise. We are here at our new listing 2521 Inagua Avenue in North Coconut Grove. This is a beautiful, beautiful location, a very quiet street, beautiful homes all surrounding this area, very little traffic and actually easy walking, biking distance to downtown Coconut Grove, the waterfront. Wonderful neighborhood all the way around. This is a lovely home, an old Spanish style, which has been expanded and updated and restored over the years. So let's take a look inside. Love this feature. It's an open foyer with a beautiful wrought iron door. And off of this foyer is a lovely screened sunroom. And you can see the carport in the distance. Again, we're at 2521 Inagua Avenue in Coconut Grove. And this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home with a 3-2 in the main house, a 1-1 in the guest house. And we are entering the living and dining areas with beautiful Dade County fine floors in excellent condition. We have Dade County pine through most of the house, and the addition also has hardwood floors, oak and bamboo. This is a wood-burning fireplace, which can be very handy on cool Miami days like we're having today, and creates a lot of warmth and ambience. Off the living room, we have one of the bedrooms, which currently is open to the living room. It also has a private entry to the hallway and the bathroom. So this certainly could be closed, this area, if you wanted it more private. We have impact glass throughout most of the house. We have a few openings that are not protected, but most of these windows and doors are impact. The closet space in this old Spanish home is amazing. It is like none other that I've seen. So we have lots and lots of space, very wide, very tall. And this is consistent throughout the home, and in the master we will find even more closet space. The dining room is very large. It's certainly find a way to seat 12 people in here. It's lovely. It has the original archway and also an original piece of built-in cabinetry from the 20s. Still has the crystal knobs. And we're going to go on into the kitchen now. The addition on this house was carefully done. As you can walk in the front door and see all the way to the back, the light, the windows gives us a lot of wonderful cross ventilation. We have the house open today. The air conditioning is off because it is just a perfect Miami day. This kitchen is large, stainless appliances, gas cooking, breakfast room or office off of the kitchen, and the laundry center is also here in the kitchen. There are 3 accesses to the hallway going to the bedrooms. We have one in the kitchen, one in the dining room, and also one in the front room that we showed you earlier. We're going to go through the dining room. And here we have a lovely bath with the original penny tile floors, a spa bathtub, which is newer, all white. conditioner. The air conditioning system is newer in the home, just a couple of years old. A little bit less than a couple of years. And then we have our third bedroom here, which is also being used as an office, and very substantial closet as well. Now we transition into an oak floor here, beautifully finished as well. And we have an original built-in shelf going into the master suite. The master suite is very large, and it opens out onto a covered terrace and a beautiful back garden. This is a king-size bed with at least one very large bedside table, and we still have lots of room. Room to sit, room for your pets if you have pets, and wonderful walk-in closet, all built in, and an auxiliary closet as well with built-in shelving everywhere. This is the master bath. Beautiful large tub shower combination, and again it's all white with double sinks. We're going to go back out into the third entry into the hallway, which is through the kitchen. And we'll take you outside to see the back garden and the covered terrace. We have a covered terrace here with a beautiful awning. There's artificial turf and wood deck and stone patio in this section. And a very unusual feature here is a safe room, bomb shelter, possibly could be converted to a wine cellar because of the temperature being much cooler underground. That's right here. There's a lovely sauna that's available should a buyer wish to purchase that. And the patio is very large, lots of room to entertain, to relax. And again, this covered patio opens out from your kitchen and your master bedroom. We're looking out through the carport here, and we're going to go into the guest house. One large bedroom, also two very ample closets, and a full bath. There is a split system air conditioning system here, which is wonderful for this era house where you don't have to compromise the ceilings with ductwork, and it's a very efficient system. Now we're going to walk back through the living area so you'll have a different perspective from coming from this angle. Still have some of the crystal doorknobs still here, which we'll show you out here. Lots of beautiful features, lots of the original doors, interior doors. And again, it's a lovely home. 2521 Inagua Avenue in Coconut Grove, North Coconut Grove, very, very private, quiet street, lovely, lovely neighborhood. And we thank you all for joining us. We'll take you outside to see the exterior one more time. Thank you all for joining us. If you'd like to see this home, or if you're a realtor you'd like to show this home, please contact us right away. We'd love to work with you.